Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to connect D20 smartwatch with mobile. The first thing we will do is install the Fit Pro application either by scanning the QR code that comes in the instructions or by searching for it in the Play Store. We will install the application and then open it. Once inside the application, you can log in with an account if you want. Here, we will click on Set, then click on Bind Devices. The search for devices will begin. Once device 716 appears, click on it. We will see that the data begins to synchronize. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Once the synchronization process is finished, we will see that we already have our watch linked and we can make adjustments from the application. You have various options that you can modify, such as configuring the watch face and choosing a new one. Every time you apply some type of change, you will see how it is synchronized with your watch. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.